Our next story was written by Miss Austin's class, and it's called The Zombie Adventure at the Secret Museum.
I am a neon job application zombie.
Once upon a time.
My name is Zombie Grande.
Once upon a time.
I am inspecting and spying at a haunted museum. I need and desire a job application to be a tour guide because I know a bunch, maybe too much, about animals, what's inside of them and their histories. I just wanna be a tour guide. What I'd give to be a tour guide.
What's he doing here?
I just want a job application.
You can't do that.
Because you're undead and we think you might bite us.
Get out of here! But I know so much about animals, like their pelts and fossils and stuff. Woolly mammoth, polar bear. You guys are making a huge mistake. I'm gonna call my Karen mom. Hey there, baby. Are you the newest tour guide? No, Mom, they hate me. Don't worry, I'll go talk to them. Get it all Karen on them. Excuse me, janitor. Who's your boss?
Oh, look at that.
In the back, be careful, Miss Karen.
Yeah, he's evil and scary.
And we have lots of complaints on him.
Oh, look at that. It's confirmed. Technically, I'm the new boss.
Oh, look at that.
Here, a job application from museum library.
He just wants to be a tour guide.
And now I get to be a tour guide.
Ever since that day.
I'm the new museum tour guide.
Ever since that day.
I don't feel upset anymore.
Ever since that day.
And I feel a bit better.
Ever since that day.
I bought a classic 2001 Buick.
Are the stories.